So before choosing a foundation model, a large language model for your agentic AI system, you should ask some very important question. You should consider some very important question. So this is the practical model selection checklist. So what reasoning depth is required? What latency constraints exist? Whether you want a fast response, a real-time scenario, or a significant delay is bearable. So latency constraints, what reasoning depth is required? What latency constraints exist? What is the cost tolerance? How many concurrent users? Is deterministic behavior necessary? Is domain specialization needed? How large is the context? Do I need fallback options? So now it's very clear that before even implementing an agentic AI system, first we have to design it, the system design. And when you will be doing the system design for an agentic AI system, a very important decision you will be making will be the model that you will be using, like what model you will be choosing. So to decide the model, like what all models you will be using, you have to consider these points. These points will help you better choose a model for your agentic AI applications.